Hi my friends, today I will be showing you how to recover deleted undeleted file. For this we will be use esaeus software. You can download in esaeus software from this link. After you download this software, please install this software on your computer. I will be show how to recover a file, test file, a simple txt file. We will create a txt file, delete the file, and then recover this file. This is trial version. Automatically we will install trial version of esaeus. It's limited version, but if you want after test, if you like this program, you can buy this program. The prices is in the site. Okay, first of all, I will be create folder. For example, recovery folder. In this folder, I will be create text file. This file save. Okay, now I will delete this file. Now there is in this folder there is no file. Recycle bin, I will be empty recycle bin. Recycle bin is also empty. Now we need to restore the file that we deleted, text file. For this we will open esaeus data recovery wizard. Disk C scan. We will scan the disk. The program will start to scan disk. It takes 20-30 minutes. It depends from your hard disk size, how many time it will be take. Okay, the scan is finished. Now we can look the files, recovery file. Your folder's name was test, restore file test. This is your file. Click to here and then click recover to restore the file. I will be create in a test of new folder. For example, test select folder. Okay, now save and wipe record files and test. This is our file, restore file, the text file that we deleted. That's all. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next lessons.